Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will fix the ShellExecuteEx Failed error when installing or opening programs in Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. So make sure to follow all the steps carefully. Firstly, click on the Windows icon and then click on Settings to open it. We are starting from Settings because sometimes Windows restricts app installations based on security preferences. Now click on Apps. This section controls how applications are installed and managed on your system. After that, click on Advanced App Settings. Here you will find options related to app installation sources and permissions. Now you will see a drop-down in front of Choose Where to Get Apps. This setting controls whether you can install apps from anywhere or only from the Microsoft Store. Click on the drop-down and you will see multiple options. Now choose Anywhere. By selecting this option, you are allowing Windows to install applications from all sources, which helps fix the ShellExecuteEx error in many cases. Now move to step number 2. Click on the search bar and type CMD. Then click on Run as Administrator. Opening Command Prompt as Administrator is important because we need full system permissions to repair system files. When it opens, type this command, sfc/scannow. Then press Enter. This command scans your system for corrupted or missing files and automatically fixes them. It may take some time, so be patient and let it complete fully. When it completes, type the second command, dism/online/cleanupimage/scanhealth, and press Enter. This command checks the health of your Windows image and detects deeper issues that may not be visible. Wait until it reaches 100%. After that, type the third command, dism/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth, and press Enter. This command repairs the system image by downloading healthy files and replacing corrupted ones. Again, this process will take some time, so do not close the window. Once all commands are completed, close the command prompt. Now restart your system to apply all the changes properly. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.